Hello friends, I am Miss Karen at Adams Memorial Library. Welcome to our June Inquire Within program. Now, have you been saying to yourself, I really wish I could put on a puppet show this summer? Have you? Have you been saying that? Well, if you have, this month's program is for you. We have a kit called Perform a Tale. I don't know if you know, but our summer reading theme this year is Tales and Tales. Animals with tails or story tales. And you can combine those two things by putting on a puppet show. So if you pick up one of the kits at the library, it has some tips on writing your own play to help you get started, and some tips on some instructions to make a Peg plus cat shoebox theater. And if you don't have a shoebox, if you need one, let us know. We probably have one that we can give to you. So you can turn your shoebox into your own theater to use your puppets in. How about that? Now, if you do want to do animal stories, so tales and tales, you can use these tips from Wildcrats on making animal puppets. You can make an eagle or an elephant or a lion or a raccoon and put on a show with them. Or if you don't like those ideas, you could make an owl puppet instead. We will give you a couple of paper bags and maybe some eyes, some papers, and then you can use your creativity and make whatever kind of puppet you like. And then if you do, we would love to see photos. You can take some photos and show us what you made. Now, if you're not feeling animal puppets, if you want to do puppets with people, we've got you covered there too. You could do Peg plus cat. So you could do a person and an animal. If you make a Peg plus cat puppet, you can put them on popsicle sticks like this. Or, I just learned this, you could even use a toilet paper tube and attach that. Tape it on to the back of your puppet and you make your puppet go that way. So you can try Peg plus cat, or if what you'd really like to do is do a show about you and your family, you can do that too. There's some tips on how to make family puppets. And look at this. I have a puppet that looks like me. How about that? So you get a photograph of yourself and you cut it out. And here I've got one that looks like me. So if I feel like putting on a puppet show where I'm marching or dancing or singing or leading story time, I am all set. And again, you can use popsicle sticks, or can you see? I've got a string here. So you can attach a string to your puppet and use them that way, like a marionette. So whatever you do, I'll bet you can come up with a really great tale using your puppets. And again, we would love to see it. So feel free to bring in your puppets and show us, or take a photo and send it to us. And if you are joining us for the Challenges in Beanstack this summer, the Inquire Within code word is Molly, M-O-L-L-Y, Molly, like Molly of Denali, our Library Explorers character. So, thank you for watching today. Thank you very much to our friends at Clearview Federal Credit Union and WQED Education for allowing us to get these kits to you. And thank you very, very much for joining me today. See you later, friends. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.